kayo guys, ngayong nakita nyo kung gaano kaganda yung finishes nito. Nasa ground floor pa lang tayo ha. But I really love and I'm so amazed with the finishes and the interior of this house. Now, I forgot to show you also to complete the kitchen is this. Look at that. Wow. Ang ganda ng refrigerator ninyo guys. So, look at that. Tingnan natin. Oh, look. And hindi lang yon. What I can say is they really maximize the space of the house. Just look at this. Dito pa lang, naglagay pa sila ng another pantry. 'Di ba? And nagustuhan ko dito na maximize yung buong space pero hindi na compromise yung design ng bahay. 'Di ba? Okay, let's close this up. Okay, another thing, under your stairs, meron pa tayong shoe rack right here. 'Di ba? Lahat. You know, in the house, storage spaces is very important. Tsaka at least parang mas clutter-free na din tayo. So, look at that. Dami mong mga lagayan. Wala na. Dalawa lang. Okay. Let's start to show you. Naka-open na, pero dito na tayo. Umpisahan na natin. Sige. Nakita na nila eh. So,